Today we're gonna make mango donuts. Yes. First, we need flour. 2 cups of flour. Now we need the whole wheat flour.
Wait.
Now you want to pour it? Okay, very good. Do like this. I know how to open this now. 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Okay.
We put aside the dry ingredients. Now we need the wet ingredients. I will make it.
Okay, you take third,
I'm
please.
gonna make it for you. You excited to see it? This is the mango. Now we put yogurt in it. Now we blend this. I'll put the milk now. No, I can't open the milk. Here's it now. We mix it with the banana. Mix it. Let's clean up first. More milk. Mix it more, please. Oh, it's getting.
Forget the oil.
Oh. Olive oil. No, olive oil. Now we mix it together. Wait, you know what? We forgot the egg. So you need help? Yeah. I'll help you. Get please,